Hello.
Hello.
We just got back from Thailand. So, after 50 years, nakapunta na rin ako ng Bangkok, Thailand. Never really had a reason to go Sa akin, for 50 years. Parang
50 talaga no?
50, eksakto, 50 years. Remember, doon ako nag-50 sa Bangkok. So, how was the trip?
Masaya. Ako, masaya pa rin. It's my second time, masaya pa rin.
But what is the lure of Thailand for you?
Food.
Food, no?
Food talaga.
Ako din, yun yung napansin ko sa Thailand. What I enjoyed the most is the food. It's good food, affordable food.
Cheap food.
Cheap, good food.
Yeah.
So we're here now in an area that is not really touristy place. So this is a local supermarket. Tapos bumaba ako to just grab something to eat. Dito yung sinasabi talaga ng tao na mura ang pagkain sa Bangkok. This one is spicy soup, rice noodle with one whole na fried chicken chop. This is 70 baht. So 70 baht is 120 pesos. Ito yung mura. Ito yung mga sinasabi nilang mura ang pagkain dito sa Bangkok. Because yung sa labas, when we went out, yung mga street foods, kasi since those are touristy area, they're not expensive but they're not really cheap. So they're comparable to Manila price. But this one is really cheap. Sa Manila, where do you get one whole chicken chop, rice noodle, for 120 pesos? Okay, let's see if it's actually good. Pag sinabi nilang spicy, totoong spicy So, you have to let them know. Tatanungin ka nila Pag hindi ka marunong mag-Thai, they usually will ask you if you want it spicy. So, sa akin, sabi ko to reduce the spice a little bit. Mahilig ako sa spicy, pero kinakabahan ako dito Tama lang yung spice. Oh, the soup is good. Yung tom yum yum, this is tom yum based soup. It's a bit sweet and not too sour. As for texture, they have the wonton flakes. Pero hindi lahat ng food cheap
Yeah.
Hindi lahat ng food cheap, pero maraming affordable na good food, especially if you're eating the local food. Kasi ang napansin namin, if you're the type who likes fast food, crazy ang presyo, doble. McDonald's there's doble ng presyo kesa dito. Parang sa Hong Kong kasi, ay maintindihan mo mahal yung McDo kasi lahat ng food mahal. Pero ito kasi, ang layo ng discrepancy.
But did you check Burger King?
Yeah, ganun din ang pricing, ang mahal din. Okay, so we got there, we took PAL. Promo ba natin nakuha? But it came out around 10,000 pesos per person, 10 to 11,000 per person. But it comes with luggage already, 30 kilos per person per way. Tapos I think with Philippine Airlines, it doesn't matter if you're using 1 or 2 luggage, basta total 30. So pwedeng i-separate mo sa dalawa. Tapos we boarded from Naiya 1, which is a lot better than Terminal 3 kasi mas walang traffic, walang tao, mas konti tao. Immigration was quick, mas madali lahat.
Yeah, mas mabilis ang immigration.
Sa Naiya 3, usually pag nag-trip kami, any oras 1 hour pa lang nakapila ka sa immigration. Dito, parang 10 minutes lang tayo, tapos na tayo sa immigration. Faster, a lot faster. Pati doon sa return namin, this is also so much faster ang Naiya 1. And since we use Philippine Airlines, AirAsia kayo before, di ba?
Yeah.
We landed at the bigger BKK airport.
Yeah, the
Sukhumvit. Basta the bigger, the nicer airport. Doon kami. Hello, welcome to Bangkok. Sawadee ka, welcome to Bangkok. We're now here at the airport, so we booked Klook for our van service. So, across the airport information, is here. You look for your name, tapos lalapitan mo, tapos kukunin na nila yung sasakyan. And then they'll meet you outside by the driveway. So yung Klook van, 1.8 lang for a high ace, isang buong high ace. Remember, 5 kami.
1.8 peso.
1.8 peso. So 5 kami. We all had luggages, so we opted for a van kasi hindi kami pwede sa taxi. Limit ng taxi is 4 lang. Plus may maleta, hindi kaya. Kahit na meron silang Grab na SUV, kulang pa rin eh. Kulang pa rin kung 4 kayo or 5 kayo. So, from there, sa Vince Hotel, I enjoyed Vince Hotel.
Yeah.
The place is nice. The rooms are not that small. It's pretty big. It's pretty big. Especially kung sanay ka mag-travel within Southeast Asia. Kasi compared to Hong Kong natin, mas malaki pa to eh. Bigger than Rosedale, no?
Yeah.
And panalo yung breakfast. Sobrang panalo yung breakfast. Their breakfast is from 7 to 11.
Yep.
Or earlier. Basta
No,
hanggang 11.
parang 6:30.
6:30 a.m. to 11. Which is smart. Kasi Thailand is also known for party eh. Partying yung mga tao paggabi. Daming party place na pinupuntahan paggabi. So, ang expectation nila is people will wake up much later. So, tapos yung food niya, parang 1/3 lang yung breakfast food, like your typical sausage, ham, egg, pancake, and breads. But the rest is regular meal. Meron siyang isang side na puro mga Indian curry. Tapos meron siya isang mga local na mga Thai food. Ang dami. As in, the food was... And it changes every day. Yun yung maganda eh. It changes every day. Hindi tulad sa... Nag-change. First day, there was scrambled egg. Second, wala. Tapos, remember the first day, they had that dumpling. Tapos, second day, naging yung adobo. Tapos, nawala yung isang curry. Pero napalitan naman ng isang chicken curry. Tapos, yung soup niya... From somtam naging yung clear broth na parang pho.
Yes.
Iba-iba, as in every day is different food.
Right.
Pero of course, the usual sausage, ham, yun typical pareho, the yogurt section. Pero yung mga meals niya pa iba-iba, kaya nga it was really nice eh. How much was the hotel?
Parang 4,000 per night?
It wasn't expensive. It wasn't that expensive. Parang, tama, mga ganun. I'll check, but I'll note. It was less than 5,000 per night.
Yes.
Good for 2 with breakfast. Tapos yung sa anak namin, since 3 sila, hindi 3 anak namin, 2 anak namin plus yung fiancé. So they got a room with an extra bed. So breakfast also plus 1. So mas mahal yung room nila ng konti. And then from the first day, what did we do? Kasi when we arrived there,
we arrived around 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, so we checked in.
Checked in na, then nag-rest lang for a while. Then we went to Platinum to have late lunch.
Okay.
Platinum food
The hotel also has a service within that area. So meron siyang golf cart that goes around. And nagpahatid kami, tapos ihahatid ka niya malapit na sa Platinum, no? You just cross the street.
Yes.
And tapos kung magpapasundo ka, there's a WhatsApp number that you just call and then they'll pick you up also kung saan kanila binaba. Kasi may mga iba-ibang stop eh. So yun din ang laman ng Vince. Meron siyang free shuttle service, the golf cart.
And then yung sundo is 24 hours din naman.
24 hours ba?
Yes.
I didn't check it.
It's 24 hours.
So yung mga late na
umuwi.
Kasi in that area, which is Platinum, by the way, the hotel is in Pratunam area, so it was around 45-minute drive from the airport.
No, less than
Less ba?
Yeah, mga 30 minutes.
30 to 40 minutes eh. So we were staying at Pratunam, nandoon yung Platinum.
Yeah. Tapos konting lakad lang sa overpass is...
Pero yung nandun din yung Decembers ba?
Oh yeah, Decembers, nandun si Platinum, Decembers, si malapit din doon si Tofu Skin, Tofu. Tapos
Tofu Skin naging binker
Tofu.
skin roll.
Tapos nandun din yung meron yung 100 baht store. And
then when you cross is the Big C.
Akyat ka lang sa
overpass,
nandun si Big C. Then across is the
what's that mall?
Central.
Central what? That's a big mall. Nandun yung
Oo.
Pop Mart eh. It's a high-end big mall eh. Nandun yung
Oo.
Pop Mart, nandun yung Care Bear Cafe that we also
Care Bear
tried.
Cafe. Yes.
That's a really big mall. Nandun, may swatch sila doon na kompleto sila sa lahat ng mga Moonwatch.
Pero wala pa yung pink, no?
Wala pa kasi ilo-launch pa lang na
ilo-launch.
April eh.
Yeah.
Pero lahat meron, pati Snoopy meron.
Yeah.
Mas mahal lang kaysa Philippine price pero kompleto sila.
Central World.
Central World,
Yeah.
that's the one. And if you're willing to walk a little bit more, nandun na yung Siam Square. Yes!
Siam Paragon.
Siam Paragon, Siam
Then you
Square.
cross,
Siam
there's
Square.
the Siam Square.
So, it's not that far from all this. Pero pag naglakad ka na, umabot ka na ng Siam Square, malayo na yon. Kasi kung
Malayo.
dahan-dahanin mo, okay lang. Pero galing doon, kung uuwi ka, mag-ano ka na, habal-habal na.
Yeah, malayo na siya.
Oo.
So, after that, ikot-ikot, then we went back to the hotel.
Yeah, and then where did we have dinner that day?
We went back to the hotel, then we had, kasi late lunch tayo, kumain tayo ng dinner sa Kausan. We went to Kausan.
Yes. Kausan is the party place.
Yes.
A lot of food, a lot of bars. Talagang nandun yung mga tourists. And
Party place.
but I did like the food in Kausan. Yun lang yung nakatsempohan kasi natin, yun yung may upuan, nakaupo na kami.
Kasi it's party place talaga na once you enter the Kausan Road. Yun yung
Ang
sobrang,
haba nung Kausan, it's a really long road.
sobrang
na party
ingay.
place. Sobrang ingay.
And
As in,
it's the parang ang daming nagbebenta. Although in whole Thailand naman
street,
merong
eh.
ng weed. Pero dito talaga left and right, sobrang
Dami ng mga
sobrang-
legal kasi ang weed doon eh. So dami. As in, naaamoy mo lahat. Makikita mo marami naglalakad na mga foreigners na high. As in bangag eh.
Oo.
Tapos meron sila isang maliit na building doon na puro mga weed stores.
Yeah.
Pagpasok mo doon, as in, maamoy mo. Sa tingin ko nga, na-high din ako doon eh. Hindi ako bumili, naglakad lang ako doon. Diba? Ano yan? Is that the Plantopia?
Plantopia.
Parang yun yung name ng building eh.
Uh-huh.
But why it's so loud is every stall outside, they're playing their own music, tapos nagpapalakasan sila.
Yeah.
Sobrang ingay as in, are we
And-
too old? Are we too old for that?
Maraming ladyboy.
May mga lady, may isang part doon sa gitna, din dalawang bar, naglalabanan sila. Nandun yung mga ladyboy sumasayaw sa
On top of the
tables, di ba?
Yeah.
Nandoon sila lahat.
Yeah.
And then may mga stalls na nagbebenta ng mga food, damit, lahat.
Yeah.
Henna tattoo, weed,
Oo.
'di ba? Tapos doon ang daming food and party. Ngayon, I guess if you were much younger, if we went there when we were younger,
We'll enjoy it.
yung plano natin is to party, drink, and have
Yes,
good.
yes.
That would be a good place. So I think that's the difference between now because I can't stand that yung ingay na eh. If I want to sit down and relax, to have a drink,
Oo.
that's not the place na I envision na sobrang loud tapos nasa labas ka tapos mainit kasi Thailand's weather is very very similar to the Philippines. Mainit. Ang difference lang sa Thailand, hindi malagkit. Dito malagkit, doon hindi. Pero pag tinamaan ka ng araw nila,
Masakit.
mahapdi.
Oo. Yeah. So yeah, we went there. Party. Kumbaga yun yung party place talaga. Kung habol mo is inom,
Inom party.
tapos na tipong high ka.
Kaya ang dami doon nakita namin yung mga foreigners, yung mga barkada sila na young.
Yeah.
They look like mga college na mga students
Yeah.
na mga foreigners yung mga from Europe and America, Australia.
It's
ganun.
fun to
But it's a nice place. No? It's a
Oo.
really long, nice place.
Oo.
Pero medyo malayo siya sa hotel.
Yeah.
Nabangga pa kami papunta doon. Binangga ng taxi namin yung motor sa harap. Buti hindi nahulog yung motor. So nag-usap lang sila tapos
Ang
binaba
dali ng
na kami.
ano nila, no? Na parang walang galit na binangga mo ako, walang ganon.
Oh, sorry, ganun. Kinuha
Sorry,
yung number.
kuha
Tapos,
ng number. That's it. Parang tapos na. Hindi katulad dito sa atin na may awayan pa mangyayari, di ba?
and then the next day, where did we go in the morning?
Next day, that's
The
Thursday.
Icon Siam. Did we go there straight na?
Yes. So we had we had
We had
breakfast.
breakfast.
And then nag-rest for a while. We left, I think, mga
11?
11. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
We went to Icon Siam.
That's Icon Siam is the uber luxury mall.
Yeah.
Kasi
Pero
pag
it's
nakita mo yung
pretty.
mga tindahan doon, feeling mo ang poor mo talaga. Parang kang naglalakad sa Greenbelt.
Yeah.
Tapos nandoon may Porsche dealership, ng Arabica dito sa tapat. The stores there, 'di ba nandun yung mga Tiffany,
Everything.
Patek,
Lahat ng
Rolex,
mga-
all the high-end brands were there. Pero the mall is so pretty. And it's by the river. It's
Tsaka
by
ang
the
ganda
river.
niya at night, di ba?
Oo, nung nadaanan namin.
So yeah, it's a big mall.
That's where we had lunch. Kasi natsyempohan, I don't know if that's a regular thing, yung baba ng Icon Siam, yung
It's a
lahat food.
regular. It's a regular
Okay.
thing.
The ground floor of Icon Siam is like a food fest of everything Thailand. Different parts of Thailand yung mga food nila. So merong part ng Thailand kasi na medyo Chinese yung food. Yun yung kinain ko, which is yung parang patatim nila. Tapos meron din nga sasabi ni Kerwin yung mga Hainanese, di ba? Tapos meron din yung mga more of like Bangkok food, the curries, I think.
Yes.
Pad Thai. Tapos mahilig sila sa ihaw. Ang hilig nila sa crocodile.
Yeah, di ba?
Crocodile, tsaka mga meron
Crickets.
Meron doon mga insects talaga.
Crickets.
Hindi kinaya ng mga bata ay na nila
So yeah,
mag-try.
pagdating ng Icon Siam, kanya-kanya kami so that hindi ma-waste yung time na pupunta dito kasi ito gusto nung isa and then follow lahat.
So we just set the time.
Nag-set na lang kami ng meet-up time and place. Nagkanya-kanya kami ng ikot.
We meet up, ang meet up namin doon sa likod sa river where
Sa ferry.
sa ferry na station because Icon Siam has a ferry station. And yung next na pupuntahan namin is for that day, ang pinlano was everything was on the riverside. So we'll just be taking the river ferry.
We went to Wat Arun.
So after Icon Siam, so kanya-kanya kami. Ako nga hindi na ako nakalabas sa hindi na ako lumabas sa food court na yun. Ang laki, inikot ko talaga eh. After that, we went to
Wat Arun.
Wat Arun.
It's yung mataas siya.
Para mga temple or
Parang hindi siya temple, basta yung ganun siya, Wat Arun. So we went there. The entrance fee is 200 baht per person.
mahal
Yeah.
200 baht, that puts it at around more or less 370. 1 baht is 1.7. Lagay mo na sa mga 1.75. Yun yung going rate at the time we were there. If we're going to follow the GCash na payment
So yeah, 200 baht per person.
per person.
So
But remember, to those going, they have a strict dress code. So bawal naka sleeveless, bawal naka miniskirt because it's still it's like a temple eh. There's religious thing there na may mga gods sila doon eh. So you have to respect the place. And that's why meron kami mga nakasabay doon, naka-skirt, naka-sleeveless. Hindi sila pinapasok. So turn around sila or magre-rent ka.
You rent or you buy the
Sarong.
elephant pants.
Oo.
Diba? Basta kasi for ladies, hindi pwede mga plunging, hindi pwede yung sleeveless, hindi pwede yung miniskirt.
And shorts, hindi rin pwede
Yeah,
shorts.
shorts.
So even with the men, bawal din yata ang shorts
It should be below the knee. Oo.
So mga 3/4 pwede,
Oo.
pants pwede. So kami that day naka-pants kami kahit na medyo mainit.
So like ako naka jumpsuit ako. Jumpsuit ba ako or romper? Parang
Pero
ganun.
hindi ka pinapasok eh kasi sinabihan kanila to wear
Sabi
your
ko, meron akong shawl lang.
Oo, so
So, as long
hindi
as
pa siya
may shawl
pinapasok
ka.
until sinuot niya yung
Yeah,
shawl.
as long as may shawl ka, okay na yon. So, if you're planning to wear mga sleeveless, okay lang.
Dala ka ng pang cover up.
Yeah, cover up lang. Kasi, since open air siya, sobrang init. As in, masakit sa balat. At saka talagang magpapawis ka.
But mind you, sobrang daming tao. So, talagang if you're there for a photo shoot, tsamba-tsambahan ng pwesto kasi palagi may tao sa likod mo.
Yeah, you need to
You really-
look for a good spot.
Good spot. So, the place is mostly just to get a nice photo. It's a photo op area.
Yes.
So kung you want to have that nice background na photo, but besides that, there's not much to that except that. So after Wat Arum, we went to Asiatic Pier.
Yes.
Asiatic Pier is like strip mall naman. So mabababa. Hindi siya tulad ng Icon CM na big mall. Ito para siyang iba-ibang pier siya,
Warehouse.
iba-ibang warehouse. So it's a big area pero everything is on the ground, one floor lang. Tapos marami ring stores, maraming food because it looks like where the locals hang out paggabi.
You think?
Yeah, because alam mo paano ko na-realize? When we were at the back sa parking, puno ng kotse ng locals eh. So alam mo, kung puno ng kotse, doon sila mga locals. Kasi doon sila nagdi-dinner, dinner, party, nandoon lahat yung sa Asiatic. And then, from that Asiatic na port, that's where we boarded the Sunset Cruise.
Yeah.
What's the name of the Sunset Cruise?
White Orchid, Chow Princess? Chow Praya.
Chow Praya.
Chow Praya White Orchid.
I'll put the link in of the cloak that we used to
Marami
buy
kasi,
that.
marami kasi yan. Meron yung Princess, meron yung White Orchid. So we took the White Orchid na Chow Praya.
How much was that? 1,000 pesos?
Parang 1,180.
1,180, and you get to have buffet.
That's the Sunset Cruise.
The Sunset Cruise. We took the Sunset Cruise kasi meron yung isa mas late. Pero that's too late na. It's 7:30 na eh.
7:30 to 9.
We
parang.
were used to having our dinner early 6 o'clock eh. So ito
Yeah.
naman, medyo napaaga kasi we boarded at 5. Pag-alis by 5:15, pwede na daw kumain.
Yeah.
So, the food is buffet. The food is okay, pero ang maganda lang sa buffet niya, it comes with unli na grilled na river shrimp yata yun,
Yeah.
tsaka mussels, tahong meron. So, tapos dessert mo, you have mostly fruits.
Beer.
Tapos unli beer din, unli beer. Tapos may ice cream din, may ice cream.
Food is okay naman.
The food is it's okay. It's not the best food, but at least meron ka nung inihaw na unli.
Yeah.
And then you also get to have beer if you like. I wasn't in the mood to be drinking that kasi nasa outdoor eh.
So, ang ano doon, once na nag-book, kasi we booked it through Klook, di ba? So, ang tip doon, pagka pupunta ka na doon sa parang meet-up place, i-request mo na doon ka sa open air ilagay. Kasi mas maganda ang view pagka nasa open air ka as compared to
Kung nasa
nandun
lower deck ka o sa
lower
mid
deck.
deck.
Yeah.
Kasi it's a sunset cruise eh. So if you're not outdoor watching the sunset, walang point. Pero actually kahit nasa gabi, you want to be outside to see the sky and the view eh. So kailangan go there early to Asiatic. Buti kami 5 o'clock yung depart. By 4 o'clock nandun na kami because we wanted to also go around there. So pumunta na kami to get our tickets kahit na you can be there 20 minutes before lang. Pero kung 20 minutes before wala ka na upuan sa taas, pangit.
Oo, ang mangyayari pagka ganon is kakain ka sa baba or pagdating mo doon, let's say seated ka sa loob, silip na kayo kung may available table sa taas, sa open air, you can you can transfer.
Oh, pero kami nung nandoon puno na yung taas eh.
So pagka ganon na wala na talagang available, what you can do is kain ka doon sa baba,
Tapos
sa
tambay
cover,
ka na sa taas.
then tambay ka na sa
Pero
taas.
wala ka upuan sa taas
Yes,
kasi
oo.
puno.
Oo.
So go early, get your seat, and then tell them you want to. Kasi when you get your ticket, they're already going to give you a seat assignment.
May seat
May seat assignment na. So pag akyat mo, so there's the lower deck, there's the mid deck, and then there's the open air sa taas. So you want to be there. Tapos may live music, may singer.
Oo.
So it was a very entertaining. Yun okay yun kasi food pa lang, tas the view, tas you get to see the river sa gabi. Maganda.
Tsaka maganda siya nung halos sunset na kasi
Nung pabalik na tayo.
ang ganda na nung view
Oo.
di ba?
Actually yung sunset napansin namin nung sa return na kasi
Yes.
pupunta ka sa dulo, tapos hindi naman dulo. Pupunta ka doon sa
Way
isang,
past, way past.
yung isang bridge na malaki. Tapos
Yeah.
iikot na yon. Pag ikot niya, doon namin na feel na yun na, gumanda na yung sunset.
Yeah. Maganda siya at night. Kasi like, I could see nakabukas na yung mga ilaw niya. Mas maganda na siyang tignan.
So, that day, pagbalik sa, sila hindi na sumama.
So, after that, we ended at around
7.
almost 7 na yon.
Oo.
Pagod na rin. So, we went home na. And then, may mga lumabas pa.
So, we went to my daughter and yung fiance went to
Sorry. Daughter is 26 years old na.
Ang tanda na, 26 na.
Oo.
Oo. The boyfriend is 27.
Oo.
We went to Patpong. Oh God. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God.
Sir, how was the ping pong show?
Traumatizing. Very traumatizing.
How was the ping pong show?
I didn't know we were playing too.
Never again. Never again.
Ayun o, you wanna tell them, no, don't do it. 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 Diba?
No. Traumatic is the we
It's the right term ba?
Oh, it's traumatic. So if unless you're really curious, it's not really a place to go.
Actually, lahat ng mga napapanood ko sa TikTok, yung parang before watching ping pong, saya-saya nila. And then after watching, lahat sila yung parang ganon. So, I think ganon din ang experience nila.
But I will not spoil it. So I will not talk about it.
Yeah.
Let your curiosity make you wanna watch it if you do, if you're brave enough. But ito lang masabi ko. Di na ako babalik. Plus the area is not that big. The Patpong area is so small. It's probably mga yung haba nung street is I think mga 1/3 lang nung Kausan.
Oh.
As in yun lang. Diba?
And then maraming nag-offer.
Yung show, 2-3 yata nakita namin. Pero meron din kasi yung mga bars na where the girls are just dancing on stage and then you just
How much
watch
is
them
the
and drink.
ticket to watch?
The one that we watch is 300 pero yung isa nakita namin na first na in-offer kami 500. So,
What's the difference?
I don't know. We didn't check anymore.
Mm-hmm.
We didn't check anymore. So, and then our last day,
Wait lang. So, how much? 300 comes with
one drink lang.
drink.
One drink. Pero mahal ang drinks dun eh.
Ayun.
Sa area na yun eh.
Okay.
Kausan, the beers were like 100 yata.
Yeah, 100.
100. Dito, ang drinks is 160 to 180 per drink. So, mas mahal talaga tong Patpong area.
So, yun. So,
We didn't stay that long. As in, we left. Kasi we couldn't handle it anymore. So, that was day 2. Day 3, our last day. So, in the daytime, kanya-kanyang time lang eh.
Yeah. We had free time.
The free time, I went to the motorcycle shops. Where did you go?
Pasabay.
pumunta
I do
siya.
pasabay.
Pumunta siya sa mga supermarket, grocery, tsaka para nagpasabay.
Yeah.
You can check her vlog na I Am Gutom Na, where we did a video of that trending na 4 cheese na sausage.
Yeah, Uncle Boss.
Yun.
Yeah.
Nagpasabay
So,
siya noon. Tapos kasi ito talaga ang panalong souvenir sa Thailand. Yung spicy dried mango nila. Kaka-addict. Sobrang nakaka-addict. Bumili ako 5. It's less than a week. Isa na lang natitira.
Yeah, wala pang 1 week, no?
Wala pang 1 week. Paubos na. Nagsisisi ako, kulang binili ko. Another thing that I like is the dilis.
Spicy dilis.
The spicy dilis with nuts. Para siyang tom yum yata tawag nila doon eh.
Tom
That is another one that a must that you wanna buy for pasalubong. Tapos sila, ang dami nilang binili yung mga inhalers.
Poison.
Yan, the inhalers. And so inhalers, dried mango, the spicy one, wag yung regular kasi the regular one just tastes like our dried mango. Pero yung may spicy powder nila, may salt, sugar, na may chili, panalo yun, yung panalo. Tsaka yung ano yun? The tom yum dilis with nuts. The best place to buy it is in the Zone 3, second level or third level of platinum? Third level of platinum.
Kasi when we went to Big C, when you enter the grocery, maraming
Nagpapa-food taste.
And maraming klase ng spicy mango.
Mabubusog ka.
Mabubusog ka sa kakatry. And based sa mga nasubukan namin, itong nasa Platinum yung pinakamasarap.
Basta among the bilihan ng pang-giveaway, itong sa Platinum ang pinaka-affordable. So it's the store is beside, hindi ko alam na. Basta malapit siya sa
it's on the third floor.
Third floor, pag
right in
akyat ng
front of
escalator, siya mismo.
Oo.
At si ate there is a Thailander pero marunong magtagalog. Masarap.
Masarap yan.
Ito masarap. Ito mahanghang. Ito matamis.
Yeah.
As in, sa tingin ko marami siyang ano eh.
So yun, basta naghiwa-hiwalay kami. He went to motorcycle shop. Ako nagpasabay. Our son went to the Siam Square. Yung gano'n, nag-ikot siya doon. He even went to Donkey, which is located at the MBK. Then our daughter and boyfriend went first
Capybara Cafe.
where you can pet the capybara.
Tsaka si Simong.
Oo.
Anong animal si Simong?
Ayan.
Basta si Simone sa Lion King.
Ayun. So,
Anong animal? Basta yun.
Oo.
Ka, ano. I'll get pictures nga from them.
So, yun. Yan, then nag-meet up na lang kami back to the hotel at
5 o'clock.
5 p.m.
Kasi
because
we were going dinner at Chinatown. So we're now here at the Chinatown in Bangkok. So this is where we're going to be having dinner today. So let's walk.
Hi, vlog.
Duck, asado. A cook store. Best dim sum. Hong Kong feels ba? Yung mga neon signs niya, no? Ma Chang. Okay. Kira?
Chinatown naman.
And Chinatown is where we actually had one of our best meals. I like the food there.
Diba?
Yeah, I like the food. We had that Michelin rated na ano yan? Flat noodle
Egg.
flat noodle soup with parang lechon kawali. So it's crispy pork and yung mga laman loob.
Yeah.
Para siyang bok choy na hindi.
Yes. Para siyang bachoy.
So isipin mo bok choy pero may lechon kawali.
Yes.
Tapos yung noodles niya flat, hindi flat rolled eh. Tapos very peppery yung soup.
Na masarap, na even our daughter,
Na takot
full
sa hanghang.
ayaw nang maanghang, sobra siyang nasarapan.
Sarap na sarap siya eh. Kahit na, this is so good pero pinapawisan na siya pero okay pa rin siya.
Oo. Okay, backtrack lang. So, pinuntahan namin yung Michelin na yan, and sobrang daming tao. Kalsada pa lang, nasa bangketa, puno na. So, sabi, inside, okay. So, pagpasok namin, kala namin inside na. Doon na.
Dadaan ka pa sa
Yung
maliit na
pala,
tunnel.
may dadaan ka maliit na tunnel na talagang lalakad ka, nakaganon ka kasi may hagdan na
Oo.
nakaganon. So, lalakad ka pa ganon. And then, lakad ka pa, parang bodega. As in,
Yung bodega kinonvert ng dining area. Pero
Literal-
meron din naman ibang kasama kami kumakain.
yes, may mga siguro mga 8 tables, di ba?
Hindi. Mga 4-5 tables lang yun.
4-5 tables
Oo,
naman.
4-5
And it's
tables.
literal na bodega.
Nasa likod namin kumakain yan, mga bodega.
Oo. So, yon after that, may naglalakad kami, may nakita yung anak namin na spicy squid.
Squid, cuttlefish, yung ganon, na iniihaw nila. Tapos they have their special sauce, which I feel is Szechuan eh.
Ah, really?
It feels like Szechuan. Pero grabe, yun sobrang hanghang.
Sobra.
Pero ang sarap. Inubos namin Pero... Okay, we're not crying. Really, we're not crying. We just finished the squid with... My God, look at that chili. But was it good?
It's good. Sobrang
It's
sarap
good.
siya.
We finished it. Okay, we're now going to look for dessert and milk tea. We need to calm our mouth. The chili is grabe. And then that's also where we had good dessert. We had yung shave ice
It's sa After You.
after you dessert.
Yun yung name ng place,
After
After You.
You.
Marami siyang branch all over Bangkok.
So they had shave ice and then French toast. Tapos hindi pa kami nasiyahan kasi meron pa siyang gusto subukan. So tumawid lang kami sa tapat
Right across.
to have pudding.
Bao something. We'll
Pudding,
just
which is actually soy pudding. Pero mas firm siya kesa sa taho natin na may mga flavors. So if you like that, okay siya. So this is the original French toast.
With whipped butter.
With whipped butter, shave ice, Milo. What's the name?
Milo.
No, the Milo chocolate something.
You pour this after this Milo.
Okay, so you pour it now.
Mama, yeah.
Ooh, volcano. Ampo? Okay, so now we're trying pudding. So it's banoffee, black sesame, and boba. Okay, let's try it now. So that was basically what we did because on the last day, balik na kami ng Manila. We took Klook again na van. Doon na kami nag-ikot sa airport. Pero sa airport wala masyado rin, no?
Wala masyado.
Pero may mga sale eh. So I was able to buy Joe Malone na perfume na, which one is that? The intense one, which is 13.5 here. Ang bili ko 11,000 lang because of
How
their
much?
13.5 dito.
Oh.
11 lang doon.
Oh.
Pero mahal na pala ng Joe Malone. I didn't realize Joe Malone was that expensive. I thought before, mura lang. Pero yung tigsi 7,000 doon, yung pareho sa atin yung mga clear bottles, is 9,000 plus here na. So sa akin, Thailand, if you're young enough that you like to party at night, then as a barkada, that's a nice place to go to.
Yung wala kang itinerary na parang
You just gimme ka.
parang gimme ka, food trip ka na wala kang pupuntahang mga...
Just late ka magising,
Yeah,
okay lang.
okay siya.
Second, if you're the type who is a fashionista who likes to buy
So,
affordable, nice-looking clothes, yung mga not big branded na stuff, Thailand is also the good place to go. Third, if you're a foodie and you like to eat, diba? That's But if you're the type who likes to buy shopping like gadgets, ganon, you're better off going to Hong Kong and Japan. Another thing that I really didn't like in Thailand was the commute. Medyo,
ay, hindi mo nakwento ang commute natin.
kaya nga, that's why I'm talking about now.
Okay.
What I didn't like about the commute is, for one, grabe traffic. It's Manila level traffic. Lalo na ngayon because of all the construction that is ongoing. So, yung area na yon, the big roads, lahat may mga infrastructure. So, to get around, we took mostly taxi. A 30-minute ride in taxi na may traffic was costing us 600 to 700 pesos per trip. Kasi we had to get the 6-seater na SUV kasi nga 5 kami. So, it wasn't that cheap or not that expensive, but it's not Manila level cheap. Yung Grab, we use Grab. And the other one is if you can, we used Angkas. Yung also via Grab app, yung Grab bike. But they don't offer you a helmet. Or if they do, it's not a nice helmet, so it's scary rin. Pero that's the easiest that people go to. So yung kanina sabi ko, if you're from Siam, going to the hotel, mas malapit lang, then okay lang. Pero kasi I see them using the Grab bike going sa highway, sa toll gate, sa tollway, no?
Tollway.
Hindi naman toll, basta sa big highway. Walang helmet, kumahataw. Hindi ko kaya. Natakot ako dun. Diba?
Yeah, pero ang ginamit natin is Grab. Meron pa sila isang app, Bolt.
Which is
It's,
cheaper.
A little bit cheaper than Grab. Yeah. So, yun. Meron kang option to use Bolt. Then, yun. Pero, at least, di ba, na-experience natin sumakay ng motor ng walang helmet?
So sa akin, it's not a place I'm excited to go back. But sila, since like si Abby, tsaka yung son ko who likes to do those shopping na yung mga putsu-putsu, tsaka yung mga affordable but nice fashion, tapos kain, yan siya. They want to go back. So malamang kung babalik man silang dalawa ni Paolo, I'm not going anymore. I'm okay.
Yeah.
I've experienced Thailand and I'm actually okay. This is the same way how I feel about Singapore.
I was telling him din naman kasi, sa ngayon, dahil ang mahal na ng Hong Kong, given a chance, ang problema lang with Thailand, ang mahal ng ticket. Mahal ang ticket going to Thailand. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Diba?
Well, I know why.
Why?
It's 3 hours away.
So, yeah.
It's 3 hours away. Hong Kong is just an hour and a half.
So, yun, given a chance, ako personally, given a chance, mas gugustuhin ko ng pumunta ng Thailand than pumunta ng Hong Kong. Food, mas gusto ko na food ng although I love Hong Kong na food, pero mas gusto ko yung food ni Thailand at mas mura siya.
I think we should go to Taiwan next.
Yeah.
The few times that I've been to Taiwan, I've actually enjoyed Taiwan. Good food, not too expensive. And I prefer yung shopping ng outlets nila kesa itong sa Bangkok. Because I'm not that fashion.
No, pero kasi hindi tayo nagpunta sa outlet ni Bangkok.
Meron din ba?
Meron ding outlet si Bangkok. Hindi lang tayo nagpunta. Kasi nga, since we only have 3 full days, parang inano ko na lang yung mga pupuntahan natin. Parang inano ko na, sagad na yan na ito lang ang pupuntahan natin. Kasi yung shopping naman, pwede namang hindi tayo mag-shop this trip, di
No,
ba?
but I still I'm glad I actually went.
Yeah.
I'm still happier the Thailand trip than Nagoya.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, but I love our Nagoya. The
Maganda yung
Shirakawa.
Shirakawa-go, but Nagoya itself was like, ang laki-laki ng city namang
Nakakapagod, ah.
walang nangyayari dito.
Yeah. Hindi, tsaka parang mas masaya yung buhay sa Thailand.
Thailand
Eh,
kasi, meron yung nightlife, may
yeah,
ano eh. Sa Nagoya, pagdating ng certain time, parang wala ng tao
dead
dito
na,
ah.
yeah.
This whole place is dead. Tapos the stores are all closed. Eh sa Thailand, the malls close at 10. Tapos meron pa sila pag yung weekend, the Siam Square mas late nagko-close. And then like the Big C closes at 2 a.m.
2 a.m.
2 a.m.
Another thing pala, if you spend 2,000 baht and up,
In a
You-
single receipt ah.
yes, in a single receipt, you get a tax refund. So don't forget, although ito is for the big airport lang ha, you can get a tax refund for receipts na 2,000.
Wala doon sa small airport.
Wala sa
So
small-
what do you do? No, sorry ka.
Wala, oo.
Okay.
That's what I know ha. Pero I may be wrong.
So,
Pero yeah.
so yun lamang mo pag nagpal ka.
So if you
PAL and
shop,
Cebu Pacific is the big airport eh.
yeah,
Right?
even Air Asia meron din dun eh.
Oh, pero
So
sa
if
kanila
you
wala.
shop, if you're planning to shop na alam mong malaki yung gagastusin mo, bring your passport. And then before paying, sabihin mo na lang na you will avail the tax refund. May gagawin sila, then they will give you a form or something. Tapos pagdating...
Sa store pa lang ba, bibigyan ka na ng form?
Yes, the yellow slip. So pagka sinabi mo na magta-tax refund ka, they will, para ituturo ka nila sa customer service, you will present your receipt, they will give you a yellow form, basta may nilalagay sila, kukunin nila yung passport mo, scan nila, something. Then once you enter the airport, before ka mag-check-in, may signage naman doon for tax refund na counter. Yon. Tapos,
Pero nagtanong ako doon sa motorcycle shop, wala daw sila nun.
oh,
So, bibili sana akong helmet, sayang ang discount.
puti na lang.
Puti
So,
na
yon,
pala.
may tax refund counter before check-in. So, once na nandun ka na, present mo yung paper and the passport, they will stamp it.
Pero hindi mo pa makukuha pera mo.
Hindi mo pa makukuha yung pera mo kasi may 2 box for stamp. They will stamp it and then check-in ka na.
So, after past immigration,
After check-in, you go up na on the 4th floor. After the immigration, may counter ulit doon for the tax refund. Hanapin mo lang, may sign naman doon. Hanapin mo yung counter for tax refund. Then, doon mo makukuha yung pera mo.
but if it's luxury items, yung mga ganun, make sure dala nyo yung item
Aha.
because they need to check na talagang aalis yung item na yon out of Thailand.
Yeah.
As in, meaning the receipt and the item must match.
That's why,
Yung nagka-problem yung nasa harap mo,
Aha.
the serial number of the bag that she bought and the receipt was not matching. So, hindi mabibigay sa kanya yung refund.
Yeah. That's why it's talaga na before ka mag-check-in, mag-tax refund ka kasi may chance na titignan nila yung mga items na binili mo. So dapat hindi ka pa nakaka-check-in para pwede mo i-present. But on my case, hindi naman nila tinignan. Ang nangyari, meron ako nakasabay doon na sa after immigration, luxury bag siya. So wag na natin sabihin kung ano, hindi nagmamatch doon sa yellow form na for
Yung
VAT
serial
refund.
number,
Yeah.
tsaka yung bag na pinapresent nila na item na binili daw nila.
Hindi nagmamatch yung serial number. So parang hindi siya mabigyan ng refund.
So, may foreigners kasi, so hindi sila nagkakaintindi.
Oo, foreigner. So hindi sila nagkakaintindihan. They're trying to explain. So, more on picture-picture lang sila na pinapakita, ito yung bag, pinapakita na serial number, ito yung serial number sa bag, ito yung serial number sa
Receipt.
receipt,
Hindi
hindi mamatch. So, make sure kung may mga luxury kayo or whatever, dala nyo yon para pagka nag-check sila, mape-present nyo.
So that's our Bangkok trip. So it's, I guess it's not. I'm not saying it's not a nice destination. Kasi yun nga yung every time people ask me, okay ba mag-Bangkok? Pag sinabi ko hindi pa ako nakakapunta, lahat sila parang gulat. Parang feeling ko dito sa Manila, mga Filipino, parang Bangkok was the most first out of the country trip ng mga tao is to go to Bangkok Tapos ako, hindi pa ako nakakapunta. Tapos Hong Kong 2-3 times a year.
Yeah, di ba? Parang, bakit palagi ka nasa Hong Kong? Pati di mo subukan. Kaya yun yung inano ko rin na for us to try different country naman, di ba?
Okay. Bangkok is not a bad place. But if you're asking me to choose where I want to go, I'm going back to Hong Kong pa rin.
Okay.
And the most important reason?
You have your pudding.
No. It's easier to get around. My time, the only thing I really like about Hong Kong is I get to do so many things in one day in Hong Kong because of how efficient and the public transport is. Meaning I can do more things there than I can do in Bangkok. Parang mas content.
But, on my case, same number of steps, mga 13,000, mas hindi ako pagod.
Sa Bangkok?
Yes. You know why? With Hong Kong kasi you have up and down sa MTR. With Bangkok flat ka lang 'Di ba? So parang mas less pagod ako with the Bangkok trip na kahit ang dami-dami mo nang nilakad, mas hindi ka pagod kasi wala kang up down ng MTR. Yan.
Kaya magdidingding ka para nasa taas ka lang.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah.
Pero yun. So, I think if you're the type like na-mention ko kanina, you like to party, you like buying fashionable na not really the big name brands. And then at the same time you just like to have good affordable food. Bangkok is a good place to go to. And I think you still have to I would still suggest to visit Bangkok. At least once, like me. At least once. Okay, so don't forget, like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.